Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Win with Ryan here. Thank you guys so much for coming on. Today we are going to discuss what is Ethereum and what is Ether. Is there even a difference? We're gonna find out today in today's video. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. Here we go. All right, so let's jump right in here. So this is Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Launched in 2015, Ethereum is an open source, blockchain-based, decentralized software platform used for its own cryptocurrency, Ether. It enables smart contracts and distributed applications, dApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Ethereum is not just a platform, but also a programming language, Turing complete, running on a blockchain, helping developers to build and publish distributed applications. Key takeaways: Ethereum is an open source computing platform and operating system. It also has its own associated cryptocurrency, Ether, ETH. One of the big projects around Ethereum is Microsoft's partnership with Consensus. And let's go ahead and check out Ethereum founder Joe Lubin explaining what it is and why it matters.
Ethereum is a platform on which you can build, deploy, and use decentralized applications. These are applications that don't have a home on a single computer. They're distributed across many computers, and that enables a more trustworthy infrastructure so that different actors who already compete with one another or maybe want to collaborate with one another can do so on a new kind of shared trustworthy infrastructure. There are people who are building structures, technological structures similar to the DAO, but I think those kinds of efforts are slowed or paused because many people in the space understand that we need to work out the implications with respect to securities laws. So I think it's possible that another similar construct will occur at some point soon. Ideally, it will have its relationship to securities law in different jurisdictions worked out by the people who put that together and offer it.
So understanding Ethereum. The applications run on Ethereum are run on a platform-specific cryptographic token, Ether. During 2014, Ethereum had launched a pre-sale for Ether, which had received an overwhelming response. Ether is like a vehicle for moving around on the Ethereum platform and is mostly sought by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum. Ether is used broadly for two purposes. It is traded as a digital currency exchange like other cryptocurrencies, and it is used inside Ethereum to run applications and even to monetize work. According to Ethereum, it can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. One of the big projects around Ethereum is Microsoft's partnership with Consensus, which offers Ethereum blockchain as a service, EBAS, on Microsoft Azure, so enterprise clients and developers can have a single-click cloud-based blockchain developer environment. In 2016, Ethereum was split into two separate blockchains, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. After a malicious actor stole more than $50 million worth of funds, which had been raised on the DAO, a set of smart contracts originating from Ethereum's software platform, the new Ethereum was a hard fork from the original software intended to protect against further malware attacks. As of September of 2019, Ethereum was the second largest virtual currency on the market, behind only Bitcoin. It is much faster to acquire Ether currency than Bitcoin, about 14 to 15 seconds to Bitcoin's near uniform 10 minutes. And there are far more Ether units in circulation than there is Bitcoin. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that was helpful. What is the difference between Ethereum and Ether and all of that good stuff in there? Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much, so much for watching this video. Talk to you guys later.